Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2018 Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 640 horsepower V10 engine, a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with all-wheel drive, and active aerodynamics a-la system. This car is finished in a gorgeous Pearl Effect Verde Mantis exterior and Nero Cosmus Alcantara interior with contrast stitching. This Performante is in excellent condition and comes well optioned, including forged composites interior accents, laser-engraved Alcantara, navigation, cruise control, rear camera, Sensonum sound, parking sensors front and rear, dynamic power steering, front lift system, 20-inch Loge black forged wheels, green calipers, transparent engine bonnet, branding, style package, Performante interior, and much more.